Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of YouTube. Wait, does YouTube even have an affiliate program? Unfortunately, no, but they have something called YouTube Shopping, which has an affiliate program, and we'll talk about that in the video. So let me take you to the website youtube.com. Now, who doesn't know about YouTube? YouTube is a popular online video sharing platform where users can upload, share, and view videos. YouTube came a long way and have become one of the most widely used and influential social media and content sharing platform on the internet. But who am I giving this information to? You already know about that. You might want to know about YouTube Shopping affiliate program. Now, this program is totally different than what you have seen with the affiliate program of other brands. With other brands, you either join an affiliate marketing network or you join a portal on the brands to connect to the affiliate program and to promote the products. Now, with YouTube Shopping affiliate program, it works differently. You don't have to join any affiliate marketing network, nor you have to join a portal, but you have to do something else, and that is what we will talk about in this video. So how does it work? It's pretty simple. You create contents on YouTube. That content could be videos, shorts, or live streams. You tag products in your content. Basically, if any viewers would see those contents, they would be able to see those products as well. And now these viewers or people, they will click on this product and make purchase. Doesn't matter of that product or any other product, you will get commission on the actual sale amount. Isn't it amazing? The problem is you'll find many videos out there available on this YouTube Shopping affiliate program, but the problem is the information is scattered around. And I want to take all together and give you a better understanding, a detailed understanding of YouTube Shopping affiliate program. And that's what we will discuss more in this video. So important things to know. If you want to know more about it, then you should have understanding of creating content on YouTube. So how exactly you do that? That's important because do you create the content on YouTube or not? That's one thing. If you do, then that's great. You will have an understanding. But what if you don't? So you use something called creator or rather YouTube Studio. So you become part of YouTube Studio, which you already have by default. So when you create a YouTube account, you would be able to access it. And this will allow you to manage your YouTube channel and upload videos or respond to comments and see your performance and all that. So this is a helps center article on it. I'm going to mention this helps center article within the video description. You can click on the link and read all about the YouTube Studio, and you will have a better understanding if you're not using it already. And then comes the understanding of YouTube Partner Program. Now, what exactly YouTube Partner Program is? So YouTube Partner Program is basically a program that lets you earn money from YouTube. Now, though YouTube doesn't directly have an affiliate program, that they give enough opportunity to the creators out there to earn money from YouTube. But the only way they can earn if they're part of something called YPP or YouTube Partner Program. So there's an eligibility as well. And the eligibility is you should have around 1,000 subscribers with at least 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Either this eligibility or you should have 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. So whatever it is, if you meet this criteria, then you can follow these steps to be part of YouTube Partner Program. So basically, you should be aware of and you should follow YouTube channel monetization policies. Again, I'm going to mention this link in the video description. You can come here, you can click on all these hyperlinks for better understanding. So ensure throughout your YouTube channel journey or YouTube account journey, you follow this monetization policies. Then you should be part of the country eligible for YouTube Partner Program. You can click on the link for better understanding to see the list of the countries. Then you should have no community guidelines strike. We'll talk about it in a few minutes. Then you should have 2 steps verification turned on for your Google account, then have advanced feature access on YouTube as well, and have 1 active AdSense account as well. And this is again something we'll talk ahead in the video. So when you have this, then you would be able to get yourself enabled for YouTube Partner Program. Let's say if you're already part of YouTube Partner Program, that's great. And with that being said, if you're not, then you could try to be part of YouTube Partner Program. but let's say you either are part of or you will become part of it. The other thing you should be aware of is what is YouTube shopping. So YouTube shopping, there is an article on that as well. YouTube shopping lets eligible creators easily promote products from their own stores or brands across YouTube. So let's say you're creating a video surrounding a Samsung mobile phone. So you could add or tag product within the video. So when viewers would watch your video, they would also see the option to buy the similar product. So that's called YouTube shopping. And these viewers can make the purchase either directly from YouTube or can go to the external store and make the purchase. So that's called YouTube shopping. So you should have the understanding of that too. And then what is product tagging? So product tagging is it's basically, if you're eligible, you can tag products features in your content. That means if you are creating your videos on YouTube, you will see an option where you would be able to tag products in it. Basically, you would be able to add products in it. And when you tag products in your content, a view product label will show up in the corner of your content. Viewers can select the label to review a list of the products you tag. So you can come to this article as well. I'm going to mention all these four articles for your understanding, and you can see how exactly it works. Then there's a demo as well. It will let you know that how you can basically tag or add products to your video. Now, to give you an example how exactly it looks like, let me show you a video of Mr. Beast. So on this video, you see shop the Mr. Beast store. So these are all the products tagged by Mr. Beast. But look at the store. It says Mr. Beast dot store. So it seems like Mr. Beast is using his own store to promote the products. So this is the very good example of YouTube shopping and tagging products. So similar to that, you would have an option to tag the products of other brands as well, assuming you become part of the YouTube shopping affiliate program. So this is how you can do that. Then let's move to the other point. That is YouTube shopping affiliate program better understanding. So how exactly it works, to put it in a nutshell, you should be creating videos, shorts or live stream on YouTube. Then you should be part of YouTube partner program. Then you should have an understanding of YouTube shopping and product tagging. You should know how to do it. And all these four articles that I'm going to mention will help you with all these four things. And when you can do that, that's when you can learn more about YouTube shopping affiliate program and eligibility. So let me take you here, which is the eligibility for it. So your channel should be part of YouTube partner program. Then your channel must have more than 20,000 subscribers. That's the another criteria. The third criteria is you are based in United States. So as of now, it's a good initiative that YouTube has started, but they want to limit it just to the people from US, to the creators from US. But don't you worry, it's just initiative, or I have a feeling that YouTube may end up launching it for the creators from other countries as well. Just have to wait for it. And you can click on, like, you can come to this link. I will be putting this link in the description as well. And you can see whenever you're watching this video, you can click on the link and see the updated criteria. If you see your country listed over there, that means it's available for you as well. Then the fourth criteria is your channel is not a music channel, an official artist channel, or associated with music partner. Fifth one, your channel audience isn't status made for kids, and your channel doesn't have a significant number of video status made for kids. And the sixth point is the eligibility criteria. Your channel doesn't have any active community guideline strike. Now, what is community guideline strike? That means these are the set of rules, or basically rules of the road, for how you behave on YouTube. These policies apply to all types of content on the platform, including unlisted and even private content, comments, links, community posts, and thumbnails. And this list isn't complete, it's very subjective. If your content violates any of the community guidelines, and this is the article on it, if your content violates any of these guidelines, then your channel will get a strike. So it's basically, you have to behave on YouTube. And if there's even a single strike on our YouTube channel, then unfortunately we won't be able to join YouTube shopping affiliate program. Now let's move further. And let's have a better understanding of YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. So this is an article on it, and you can come here, and the first thing we can look at this side. So this program is currently available for eligible US creators. If you'd like to express interest in joining early or recommended specific brands, please fill out this form. So don't you worry, even if it's not like if you're not from US, you can always click on this link, which will take you to this form. Over here, you can select English or whatever language that suits you. For me, I'm just gonna go with English. And come on, I want to be part of the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. So it will take me to this page. Over here, I can select my country and all the other information. In your case as well, you can fill up all these information like country, YouTube channel handle. So whatever your handle is, for me, it's at the rate all about affiliate marketing. In your case, whatever that is, then YouTube channel URL as well, then preferred brand. So what's your first choice of brand that you want to tag? So I could write here Samsung. Second here would be Apple. Third here would be some other brands. And then what other features would you like to see as part of? So it's just you have to fill this form and you have to submit it. When you do, you're basically showing your interest to be part of YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, and then you can wait to hear back from them. So it's good. The more requests they will get, it is possible that you may end up getting this program for creators in your country. Then eligibility requirements, we already learned about that. Let's say you're eligible, you meet all these requirements. Then how do you join? It's pretty simple. You go to YouTube Studio, you click on you from the program section, you can just click on join now to the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, and then you can review and accept the terms of services, and you're in. This way you can start taking products, and when people would click on those products and makes the purchase, you will be entitled to get commission. Now, which brands are actually participating in it? Not every brand. You cannot take the products of all the brands. So you can click on this, and here you would be able to see all the brands which are currently part of it. And this is like ever updating list. So I would suggest come to the link. I'm going to mention the link in the video description, and always check the brand if you want to have an understanding of these brands. But what if you want to add, or you want them to add more brands? You can simply click on this form and request more brands to be added as well. You will have an option. Then let's have an understanding of your earning as well. So every participating brand and retailer will set their commission rates and attribution window for each product. Commission percentages will be displayed by each product offer. The percentage displayed is what will be paid. Once your viewer clicks on your tag products and makes a purchase, you'll earn commission. So commission rate, it would be very varying for from each brand to another brand. So when you will be creating a video, you will get an option to tag products in it. While tagging for other than your own store, remember, you will not get commission for the sale that happen on your store. It will only be from the stores that we saw about listed. So if you're selecting the products, you will also be able to see the commission rate over there while tagging the products. So this will be the indication of how much commission can you earn if someone makes the purchase on the side of those brands. Now, it doesn't matter, even if you're promoting, let's say promoting a mobile phone A, but what if the person ended up buying mobile phone B? You will still be entitled to get commission rate, the same commission based on the commission rate that got displayed to you. And the good thing is there won't be any cut for YouTube. So it's basically whatever commission rate you will see, you will earn if people make purchase through your efforts. So that means they watch a video. While watching, they click on your products that you have listed or tagged, and if they make the purchase, you get the commission. Now, commission earned will be paid through AdSense within 60 to 120 days after purchase to account for customer returns. If a customer returns the product, commission will be reversed. Now, in affiliate marketing, 60 to 120 days, it's a normal time, like usually it's a minimum, or rather between 60 to 90 days. So 60 to 120 days is a considerable time. That means whatever commission will be accumulated, you can expect YouTube to pay out that commission through AdSense. Now, AdSense or Google AdSense, you should have an understanding of that too. So you can click on this hyperlink and you have a better understanding of Google AdSense. So any earning that you will do from YouTube will be paid out to you through Google AdSense, including the earning of YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. So ensure you have an AdSense account, an active AdSense account, where you should have verified your identity and your address, and you must have and then when you will start earning commission, you can expect it from YouTube through your AdSense. And in AdSense, you can, like, once you have completed the verification process and all, you would be able to update your banking information, and you would be able to get the payment directly to your bank account. Then the other things as well that you can read, I would highly recommend that you read this for better understanding. And keep on checking this, even, if for now, if you're not eligible, but that's fine. For location, if you're not eligible, you can check it out again in a month and see, if eligibility allow you to be part of it. And ensure you also follow the other eligibility criteria, because it's needed all of these to be followed to be part of it. Now, how to track your earning. Let's say you're eligible for it and you have joined it, and you started tagging these products. How would you see your earning? Simply go to YouTube Studio, click on analytics, revenue, and go to affiliate program. Now you will only see this option if you're part of YouTube shopping affiliate program. Otherwise, you won't see this affiliate program option. And once you click on affiliate program, then you will see estimated revenue, product clicks, orders, and total sales. So this way you would know your performance, your earnings, and everything. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in understanding and learning more about a YouTube shopping affiliate program. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, don't hesitate. Just mention it in the comment section, and I will try my best to create a video on the affiliate program of that brand. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.